Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Ernst here, and today we're going to go over our instructions for Thursday. Please ignore this link right here. Something happened to the original video. It didn't record any sound, so I'm having to go over this again. So first you're going to listen to the read aloud, which has a read aloud with Kevin Costner in it. When you're done, you're going to be writing about the second reason for why you want to grow what you want to grow in our garden. Okay, so the second reason or the third box. So here's the paper that you printed out on Monday, and so we're going from that paper and adding onto it every day. Next, you have your word wall song. The link is on Tuesday. If you do not, if you're having issues finding that, you just go to my YouTube channel and you search sight words. It's the one with the octopus. Okay? We have share the mic game that your children are going to do with me. And then we have finishing our robot week, which is a collage robot. Okay? When you're done, you're going to listen as I read one of my favorite books for Community Circle. And I want to just take this moment and talk. I know that we're all stuck at home and it's driving us all insane, and I'm sure some of you might have noticed that your pets are looking at you a little funny because you're stuck at home all day with them. So I thought we'd take some time after this read aloud, and I would like you to take some time and read to your pet today. Cuddle up next to your pet and read some books. I know they love it. My dogs absolutely love it to some extent. They get a little bored after a certain time, but when you read this book, you'll understand why I want you to, okay? After that, you go to this this website, and you can work on some addition and subtraction videos, okay? Some practice for you guys. When you're done, that's it for today. It's a really easy, simple Thursday. Please remember my contact information is right here on also, please remember, if you need help for any reason, you can reach me from 8 to 4. After that, after 4 o'clock, I do not pick up my phone. Before 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I do not pick up my phones. I'm sorry, guys. My brain's not working right now. But if you message me before those times or after those times, I will message you back the soonest I can, okay? You guys have a great Thursday. Bye.